Hi there! In this video, we'll take a look at how we can quickly and easily edit text style, content, and more. Let's get started. So, I've asked the Dazl AI to create me a project with 3 optional designs for a card. In this case, if I want to edit it, I'll start by moving over to edit mode by selecting it up here at the top or by hitting Command or Control E on the keyboard. And for starters, let's change this title right here. And instead of beautiful card designs, let's make it card design options, perhaps a little bit more relevant to our content. Next up, I want to fix this example on the left here. I'll start by moving this, I think it's more of a subtitle. So we'll move it down here. I don't think it should be as prominent in its color. So using the simple editing, I can quickly and easily change it to something that's perhaps a little bit more neutral. And now, in order to actually style the different typography options that I have, I'll open this quick panel. I'll move it closer here so it doesn't get in the way, and I can start seeing the various styles that I have. In this case, perhaps we want to change it over to body and have a slightly different design. I can also play around with italicized. Maybe I want it centered. Maybe I want it underlined. Might be a bit too much. I'll tone it down, move it back to the left, and I think this looks good overall. Now, another thing I can do is to simply open up the DevTools, and here I get to see a more in-depth view of what's actually going on with this component in its design. And if I have a ready-made style that I've copied from somewhere on the internet, I can simply come here and paste it all in one go and have it be applied. But this style is using the Poppins font, as I can see, and I don't have that in the project quite yet, so I'll simply ask the AI to install it. Install the Poppins font for my project. And I'll let that run. This will make sure that the font is actually available and that we can use it. And once it is installed, we should be able to see the design change right here. And just like that, the AI has installed the font for me, and we can see that now the Poppins does actually take effect. Now, the last thing to see is that if I want to dig even deeper and I want to go to the actual code that's representing these styles or these texts, I can do so easily using the DevTools. So for style access, I can simply click on the file name here at the right, and that will immediately take me to whichever class I selected. The other option is if I want to see the content, I can right-click on any node on stage, any element, and click View Code. And this will, of course, also bring me to the actual content. If I move my selection, this will of course follow me around and show me the relevant selection in the code. That's it for this one. I hope it's been educational. I'll see you in the next one.